The Ipega battery pack comes in a compact blue and white box that clearly highlights its PS5 compatibility, 2000 milliampere hour capacity, and LED percentage display. Inside are the battery pack, an EVA spacer for improved DualSense edge fit, a short USB-A to USB-C cable, and the user manual. The package includes everything needed for installation and charging. The Ipega battery pack features a lightweight white housing with a glossy black display panel, illuminated logo, battery percentage indicator, and power button. Its curved shape fits neatly against the controller, while built-in overcharge, overcurrent, and temperature protection add extra safety during charging. The 2000 milliampere hour battery adds around 4 to 8 hours of playtime and recharges via USB-C in approximately 3 hours. Its display shows the pack's remaining capacity, while automatic charging priority, shutdown, and protection features simplify everyday use. The practical design keeps the LED percentage display visible while the controller rests on a desk. A single button controls charging, and the display switches off automatically after 30 seconds. The pack supports both DualSense and DualSense Edge controllers, with the included EVA spacer required for the Edge. This is a practical DualSense accessory that adds several hours of playtime, a clear LED percentage display, and simple one-button operation. Although it adds some weight and bulk, its reliable charging controls and compatibility with both DualSense models make it a useful solution for longer gaming sessions.